as you know, these days people can work wherever they want to. They can live and work in another city, but live in the city of their choice. And so used to be that people located by railroads or by streams, because that's how our commerce worked. But today, your generation can live where you want. And that's really why the BOK Center, One Oak Field, Guthrie Green, the Matthews Building that we purchased, were all important to have dense urban lifestyle to attract the millennial generation, to make sure that we had a workforce that not only could help us attract jobs, but I think more importantly, help us create jobs. So I think that kind of infrastructure that the city and the government seeds the ground for, but then it begins to attract private investment. And when I first started in the mayor's office, as you know, when we left City Hall at night, we were about the last people leaving downtown unless someone was staying at the Hyatt or the downtown Doubletree. Now the sales manager at the downtown Doubletree and the Hyatt tell me that there are about 60 restaurants within walking distance. Restaurants of all different types, and mainly local young entrepreneurs that have launched those. So I think we seed the ground, and then we listen to you. TY Pros is a very important part of really the fabric of the voice of our community now to help guide those of us that are in a different generation.